Welcome to our comparison of the Apple AirPods Pro 3 and the AirPods 4. In this video, we'll break down their key differences to help you decide which model is right for you. Price is a major differentiator. The AirPods 4 are a mid-tier budget-friendly option at $179. The AirPods Pro 3 come in at $249, targeting audiophiles and pro users who want exclusive features. The design differences are significant. The AirPods 4 feature an open-ear design that rests lightly in the ear, while the AirPods Pro 3 utilize an in-ear closed design with silicone tips to provide a secure acoustic seal. Noise cancellation performance also varies. The AirPods 4 use software to dampen ambient sounds, whereas the AirPods Pro 3 offer twice the noise cancellation strength, effectively blocking out more background noise. In terms of audio quality, the AirPods 4 provide a balanced sound profile with natural vocals. The AirPods Pro 3, however, are built with an upgraded acoustic architecture for deeper bass and a wider soundstage. Battery life is another point of comparison. The AirPods 4 offer about 5 hours of use, while the AirPods Pro 3 deliver up to 8 hours of continuous playback, even with active noise cancellation turned on. The charging cases differ as well. Both cases provide 30 hours of total listening time, but the AirPods Pro 3 case includes a metal lanyard loop and supports Apple Watch charging, unlike the AirPods 4. Control mechanisms have evolved. While both allow you to squeeze the stem for playback and calls, the AirPods Pro 3 adds swipe gestures for volume control and more advanced touch capabilities. Durability is a factor if you are active. The AirPods 4 carry an IP54 rating for dust and sweat resistance, while the AirPods Pro 3 offer a more robust IP57 rating for higher water and dust protection. The AirPods Pro 3 include health-focused features like heart rate monitoring, body temperature sensing, and clinical-grade hearing aid support. The AirPods 4 are designed primarily for audio consumption. For voice calls, both models feature beam-forming microphones. The AirPods Pro 3, however, offer superior background noise cancellation and better speech isolation in louder environments. Transparency modes are available on both, but the AirPods Pro 3 offer an industry-leading experience, along with hearing protection features that are not found on the standard AirPods 4. Regarding battery health and longevity, the AirPods Pro 3 are designed with larger cells that maintain peak capacity longer, making them a better long-term investment for heavy users. Both utilize the Apple H2 chip for seamless device switching, but the AirPods Pro 3 use a more powerful processing architecture to handle complex health and noise cancellation algorithms simultaneously. In summary, the AirPods 4 are a great choice for comfort seekers on a budget. However, if you are a power user who demands the best noise cancellation and health features, the AirPods Pro 3 are the ultimate choice.